time again to update your device with the latest entertainment for your next flight on IFE Update. First up, read this, The Covenant of Water by Abraham Verghese. It follows 3 generations of a family in South India across more than 70 years, and it is the kind of rich, immersive, storytelling that makes a long flight disappear. It is beautifully written, deeply human, unlike Bobby, and long enough to carry you from takeoff to touchdown on just about any route. If you love a story that pulls you completely into another world, this one delivers.
Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Then you're gonna listen to this, Armchair Explorer from National Geographic. Each episode drops you in a different corner of the world through the stories of adventurous scientists and locals who know these places better than anyone. It is the perfect listen when you are already in transit mode and your mind is ready to wander somewhere new, which I need to do when I'm sitting next to Bobby. Fair warning, it will absolutely make you want to add more stops to your trip. And then finally, watch this, A Real Pain. This one follows 2 cousins on a trip to Poland to honor their late grandmother, and it goes places you will not expect. It is funny and tender and a little bit heartbreaking all at once. Kieran Culkin took home the Oscar for his performance, and once you see it, you will completely understand why. At just 90 minutes, it fits neatly into almost any flight, and it is the kind of movie that stays with you long after the wheels touch down. Take a look.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Boner
is not available.
Hey, Benji, I just got to the airport. I really hope you left already. Our grandmother and Benji were super close.
I mean, she was the coolest. I've just been in a real funk, I guess, since she died. Just haven't,
You're looking back at the horrors of your family history.
We completely cut ourselves off from anyone else's true pain.
Why are you doing this?
Oh man, you used to feel everything.
Obviously, there are triggers along the way.
We're not at the right station.
And you didn't wake me up.
Oh, you're having such a good nap, dude.
Jesus
You were like,
Christ, we were on a tour
sorry.
group of
Yeah, I know, I
people.
just didn't have the heart to wake you up.